In this video, I will show you step by step how to convert a PDF to Word using a free online tool. Let's get started. Here you can see adobe.com. So this is the online tool that we can use to convert PDF to Word. So here just select the PDF file and it will convert that PDF into Word. For example, just click on select file and choose the PDF file. And it will take some time to convert the PDF into Word. Just wait a second. That's it. Next, go ahead and click on this download button to download the file. And there we go. The download is completed. Next, go ahead and click on this file. And there we go. You can see the file is opened in a Microsoft Word. Next, if you want to edit it, you can just click on this enable editing. That's it. Next, you can go ahead and edit the content. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, great. I will see you in the next one.